Well, alright guys, that's going to be it for me. I just got done testing the Bronco, 100% stock, out of the box. Only thing I did was what I just showed you in those mods, what I think you should do before you even run the truck. I did that stuff, so this thing should be pretty solid. It has gone on its maiden voyage through snow, mud, and what I like with those inner fenders is it keeps your truck pretty clean, so you can do a good job at keeping it clean because you have less to clean out initially. So you really want to stay on top of that type of stuff. I like to keep my trucks clean. Overall, the truck did really good. The Canyon tires, they're just not the stickiest of compound. They feel kind of nice in the hand, but once you get them out there, you can kind of just, there's a big difference. I'd like to try these tires with some good foams first, but I'm probably just going to wind up switching them. I'm not sure because I do really like this look of the chrome wheel from the factory here. I kind of wanted to go with that look on my Blazer, but it kind of fell through. I like that chrome, but the mirrors were kind of garbage. They fell off. These Bronco mirrors, these ones, really like the styling of them. They seem like they're much better on the body, so they won't just break right off, so I should be able to run them for a while. You know, I'm not going to go too crazy on the truck. The shorty pack that I ran in the front, I did hit low voltage cutoff, but it did last a good while. I forget the price of those. They're very inexpensive batteries. If you're on a budget and you're getting one of these trucks, I highly recommend it because you'll get some good run time and you'll have that weight up front, and then when you have more money you can upgrade to another battery. I wound up going to my other Traxxas battery here. I only ran it on 2-cell today. I did not want to bust out the 3-cell. It's rated for 3S. I'm not sure how good this ESC is. I've not had any problems with the ESC on the axial rigs, but this one runs really hot on 3S. I stopped doing it in my other one. I'm not sure how it is. Maybe in this one I will try. Maybe I do want to burn it out while it's new and see if Traxxas will just send me another one, which I'm sure they will, but I haven't upgraded any motor systems in any of my crawlers yet. So that is something kind of high up on my list, but I kind of just want to keep running this thing stock, and I will try to make some comparison videos. I want to see how it goes up against my axial rigs. They are kind of modified, so it's not an apples to apples, but we'll see. I'll get out, I'll get some tests, but for now I just want to show you guys what this rig was all about. So like I said, I highly recommend those things I did in the beginning of the video. Grease that stuff up. You're gonna be happier in the long run. The pinion, definitely take a look at it. Mine seemed fine. On my other truck it was rubbing in on the motor cover, so that's just something you want to keep an eye out. Let's take some bets of what fails first. Right away I noticed this servo is just got no power. Like, it barely turns with just a little pressure on the front of the truck. I've been using those Savox ones for so long that I kind of forgot, but I highly recommend a 1210 SG, the waterproof one, but you can save a little money and go non-waterproof. It depends what you want to do with the rig. I don't submerge my vehicles, so most of them are going to be splash proof. You're going to be alright if you're not submerging it in water. That's probably going to be the first thing to go in this truck, but I kind of want to run it maybe and see how long it does last, because my wife will be driving this and she'll know the difference, but I mean, she's not going to be like, oh, I need a more powerful servo. She'll just drive it because she really liked this body, so I'm sure she's going to want to take it out, and you know, we're going to have to figure it out when we go film because I can't drive 2 trucks at once, but at least I can talk about them and let you guys know what I think. But I definitely want to kind of do a back-to-back in the future. I kind of been rambling, but yeah, TRX4 Bronco did great. Hope you guys enjoyed the clips. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.